Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchases without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left side of your screen, we have the TOMZON A23 mini drone, and on the right side, we have the SOTAONE S350 drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's talk about the price. The TOMZON A23 will only set you back $39. That's cheaper than a dinner date, folks. Meanwhile, the SOTAONE S350 is priced at $59. So, if you're feeling a bit boujee and want to splurge an extra $20, S350 might be your go-to. Now, both drones claim to be beginner-friendly, but let's break it down. The TOMZON A23 boasts one key takeoff and throw to go. It's like the drone equivalent of tossing a frisbee and hoping it doesn't hit Aunt Karen in the face. The S350, on the other hand, has altitude hold, one key takeoff, land, and headless mode. It's like the drone version of having a GPS that actually works. So beginners, you might find the S350 a bit more, let's say, idiot-proof. Both of these little guys come with some pretty sweet tricks. The TOMZON A23 can do 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's basically the circus performer of drones. You can put on a stunt show and impress your friends, or at least your cat. The S350 steps it up with 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, and even VR mode. It's like the drone went to Hogwarts and learned all the cool spells. Seriously, who doesn't want a drone that can pull off Harry Potter-level tricks? All right, camera time. Or should I say cheese? The TOMZON A23 doesn't exactly come with a camera, so if you're looking to spy on your neighbors, sorry, you're out of luck. The S350, however, packs a 1080p HD camera with FPV live video. You can capture stunning aerial shots and even adjust the angle manually. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. So for all you budding filmmakers out there, the S350 is your flying camera buddy. Safety first, people. The TOMZON A23 is built tough with quality materials and has 4 propeller guards, making it as indestructible as your grandma's fruitcake. The S350 also has 4 propeller guards, but it adds a low-power alarm and emergency stop. Plus, it's foldable, so you can literally put it in your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. If you're prone to crashing things, like your ex's party, the S350 might be the safer bet. Finally, let's talk battery life. The TOMZON A23 comes with 2 modular rechargeable batteries, giving you 18 minutes of flight time. That's enough to annoy your dog and still have time to make a sandwich. The S351 ups it with 20 minutes of flight time. 2 extra minutes might not sound like much, but in drone years, that's like a lifetime. So if you want those extra precious moments of flight, the S350 wins this round. Overall, reviewers find the TOMZON A23 to be a great budget-friendly option with easy controls and fun features, making it perfect for kids and beginners. The SOTAONE S350, while pricier, is praised for its additional safety features, camera quality, and beginner-friendly design, making it a great starter drone for those willing to spend a bit more. All right, Buy Smart fam, there you have it. The TOMZON A23 is a great budget-friendly option with some fun tricks up its sleeve, perfect for kids and beginners. But if you're looking for something with a bit more pizzazz, a camera, and extra safety features, the SOTAONE S350 might just be worth the extra cash. So which drone are you going to choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Peace out.